In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a country in Cloudflare. If you want to stop traffic from a specific country from reaching your website, Cloudflare makes that possible through a custom security rule. This can be useful for reducing unwanted traffic, limiting access from regions you don't serve, or tightening security for your domain. I'll walk you through the exact setup process in a simple, clear way. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and go to the account home area. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on domains so you can see the list of websites connected to your account. From there, click on overview. This takes you to the section where you can manage the domains in your Cloudflare account more directly. Next, select the domain you want to protect. Make sure you choose the correct website because the rule you create will apply only to that domain. After opening the domain, go to security. This is where Cloudflare groups the tools used to control access, filter traffic, and protect your site from unwanted requests. Inside the security section, click on Security Rules. This area lets you create traffic rules based on conditions like IP, country, and other request details. Once you're there, click Create Rule. You'll then want to choose Custom Rules. A custom rule gives you more control and lets you define exactly what condition should trigger the action. In this case, the condition will be based on country. Now enter a rule name. Choose something descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you create more rules in the future. For example, you might name it based on the country being blocked. Next, click on the field section and select country. This tells Cloudflare that the rule should evaluate the visitor's country location. After that, click the value area and select the country you want to block from the list. Be careful here and double check your selection so you don't block the wrong region by mistake. Then move to the action setting and choose block. This means any traffic matching that country condition will be denied access to your site. It's a strong action. So use it only when you're sure that blocking is what you want. Finally, click deploy to activate the rule. Once deployed, Cloudflare will begin enforcing it on your selected domain. And that's it. You've successfully created a country-based block rule in Cloudflare. If you ever need to change it later, you can return to the security rules area, edit the rule, or remove it entirely.